Do you want to learn how to create this poster design but don't have any editing tools? Don't worry, because on my channel, I'll teach you how to make a poster design using Canva.
Canva?
Canva, that's paid.
It's not free.
Wait, it's not a problem if you don't have Canva Pro. I have tips on how to edit without paying anything. Yes, you heard that right, no payment needed. So, I recommend that you watch this tutorial video until the end to make your poster design editing easier. Let's get started. First, search for Canva, then click on it. At the top, you'll see the search bar, type poster, and press enter. You'll see a variety of poster designs here. On the left side, you'll find Create Blank or Design. Click it, and you'll be redirected to the editing page. The first thing I did was find a background. Go to the search bar and type in the background you want. I chose a black background. You can choose between photos or graphics. Scroll down to select a design. Once you've chosen one, click on it and it will automatically appear on the page. Click the image and you can flip it horizontally or vertically. Since my poster is vertical, I rotated the image I selected. Resize it as needed. Next, we will add text. Type NBA, expand it. Then choose a font. I selected Archivo Black. We need a bold font so it's more visible. Expand it again. Go to Effects and click the Hollow effect. Adjust the thickness not to thin, not to thick. Duplicate the text or copy and paste it. Next, we will add the main subject or the basketball player. Now, guys, we'll need an image of the player with the background removed. But here's the problem. You can only use Canva's background remover if you have Canva Pro. But since you're on my channel, I'll teach you tips on how to remove backgrounds for free. Just search for Cutout Pro, then click on it. At the top, you'll see Remove Background. Click Upload Photo. Wait for it to finish. Then download it as a PNG file. After that, click Photo Enhance, upload the same photo with the background removed earlier, and download it again as a PNG file. Let's go back to Canva. On the left side, you'll see Uploads. Click it, then upload the image with the removed background. Good job, guys. Before we continue with the tutorial, please like and subscribe so I know if you've learned the tips in this video. Thank you. Now, let's continue. Click the image and you'll see 3 dots on the side. Click them, then find Position. Go to the layers and move the text below to the back of the main subject image. Then click the 4 layers and resize it. Add another text and type basketball. Rotate it by -90 degrees, then resize it. Go to Effects, then click Shadow Effects. Adjust the offset, direction, blur, and transparency as you like. For me, I reduced the transparency so the word basketball is more visible. Next, let's search for a ball as the background. Resize it, then click on Layer and drag it down. Adjust the transparency to reduce it. Let's add another background. Search for Rough Background. Go to Position and drag it down again. Change the color to something that fits. I reduced the transparency again. Next, search for Gradient. Resize it and choose a color you like. Add text again. It's up to you what else you want to add. In my case, I just added text to fill in the remaining spaces. You will notice that you can still add designs at the top. I searched for shapes and selected one. I placed it under the layers and reduced its transparency. Finally, I made a second choice for the design, but it's still up to you which design you prefer. If you like tutorials like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you're always updated on my latest tips and tutorials.